All right, now she's off. Time to start this. I put antifreeze in that. The overflow was almost out, but it still had some in it. The radiator's still full though. Now, should I leave that down? Yeah, it's not raining too hard. And get my seatbelt on, so all I have to do is, because I'm in first already, all I have to do is start it up. I'll roll the window up so it don't get, I mean, it's gonna get wet in here because the hole's in the floor, but here we go. Oh God. Battery's on the weak side, so that's why it starts slow. All right, there it is.